Hello everybody, Qxrkyy For here, and we're back with another video. As you can see, we're playing some Doom. As you know, Doom is very special to me. It's always been a great game. I used to play it all the time when I was little. I know most of the levels off by heart. But Doom is just amazing. I've done Doom 1 on this channel, did it very quickly. I'm hoping to do this very quickly too. So let's get into it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, that was pretty easy. There we go. Okay, let's, I think through here, there's going to be stairs. Whoa, too close for comfort. Alright, let's get some heals up here, get the items. Oh, the red key, this is what we need for the red door. Let's go down here. Oh yeah, elevator. There should be an elevator up here. Yep. Aha! Shotgun. Right. Oh wait, yeah, elevator here. Take all this. Okay. Let's go. Alright. I think this opens up like a maze. Yeah, you could hear it all open up. Alright, let's go in. Okay. Do I actually remember to collect all the items? Okay. That's one bit done. Oh, oh my god, that scared me. I remember this level so much. This used to scare me when I was little. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, we got him. Let's get his armor. There you go, 100%. Take these. Another dead marine. I mean, for a game made in 1993, it's really alright, isn't it? It's not that bad. I like it. Well, to me, I love it, obviously. It's going to be a bit biased, but... Let's take more shells. Let's take... Alright, yeah. Let's go down here. Collect all this stuff. There we go. Oh god, oh god, oh god! Oh! Let's take this. Get some more armor. I think I got most stuff from here. Oh! Secret. Picked up a backpack full of ammo. Didn't know there was a secret there, jeez. Whoa. Oh! There we go, got him. Good hearing noises, I thought there would be someone around here. Alright, we've gone down there. We have not gone down here yet. Or have we? No, we have not. We've gone down there, gone down there. Wait, so what's... Wait, are we... Yeah, okay. There's got to be something over here then. Sorry guys, I just want to fully explore this. No, I feel like we've got it all. Alright, let's go. Through here. Let's not get lost. Alright, and we are out. Yep, that's where the acid is. Oh god. Ah, the chainsaw. How do you get up there? Oh god, no. How do we get up there? There's gotta be a way. I'm missing a lot of secrets here because I simply just don't know them. I'll have to replay for this mission. We'll do a series where I replay and get 100% secrets, 100% items. Oh, double kill. Any other here? No? Alright, cool. I keep getting the buttons mixed up. They're quite difficult. Alright. Oh yeah, they lead to the same place, don't they? Oh god, knew it. Let's take these guys out. Get some more shells. Done. Wow, we only did 16%. Okay. Well then, that was the second mission of Doom 1. If you did enjoy, please like, subscribe, just show your support down in the comments. Yeah, that was a good mission, but I'm not very happy with how much of the secrets I discovered. I wanted to get a lot more than that, but we'll go for it again. Anyway, I guess we'll leave it off there. Our Discord will be in the description, and peace.